Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome. Math 10C, Chapter 7.1, Developing Systems of Linear Equations. I'm talking, you're sketching stuff. What's wrong with this picture? I'm trying to explain stuff, and you're busy scribbling. Stop it, Khalil. Seriously. Cap the marker and wait. Now, developing systems of linear equations. Now, I want to stress two things here. One, we're going to develop or come up with the systems, that is, the equations. Okay, so we're coming up with equations today. We're coming up with the equations. We're not solving them. All right? So today is just turning words into an equation. That's a big thing. So, tickets are sold for the school play. Felix buys 3 adult tickets and 2 student tickets. He pays $31. Ellen buys 1 adult ticket and 1 student ticket. She pays $12. Now, here, what I need you guys to do is come up with an equation for Felix. That is, turn his information into an equation. Now, what did he do? Sorry, Haley? Yes, he bought 3 adult tickets. Now, you know me and my spelling. I'm not going to write out 3 adult tickets. How can I abbreviate that? 3A. Okay. And he bought 2 student tickets.
Plus 2S.
Equals?
31.
All right. Now I want to see you guys write out Ellen's formula and show me, or Ellen's equation and show me.
Ellen?
Yes. Ellen buys 1 adult ticket and 1 student ticket? Yes. So everybody? Yes. 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 Okay. Catherine, did you show me Luke?
Yes.
I apologize. You did show me. Okay, 12. Thank you. All right. Deanna? Yes. Now, thank you very much. There was one person that said X and Y. Now, that's fine, as long as you're consistent. So Ellen is 1A plus 1S equals 12. Now, if you think about it, adult, student, it makes sense. If you want to call it X and Y, that makes sense too, because, of course, we're going to be graphing this stuff later. Now, these two try that again. These two equations form a system of linear equations. So this is this is a definition you have to know. I will come back to this in a minute and give you time to write it out. But 2 equations form a system. Now, today, that's kind of a horrible color to look at. Systems of linear equations, 2 equations of linear functions in the same 2 variables. So you got X and Y or A and S or whatever. Corinne, you can stop that now. I'm talking, pay attention. Stop destroying school property. Now, this is often referred to as a linear system. You might want to take notes on this part here. Let's go. Oh, stop that. Come on. All right. So you might want to take notes on this. A system of linear equations, that's a definition you got to know. 2 equations of linear functions in the same variables. It's often referred to as just a linear system. Now, a solution of a linear system is a pair of values that satisfy both equations. So,
Can I just take a picture of this and write on my blue sheet later?
certainly.
Because I don't have it with me right now.
Oh, that's fine. Now, a solution of a linear system is a pair of values that satisfy both equations. Sorry, a student was taking a picture of the board and I smiled to him. Anyway. Yes. Mm-hmm. Yes. It's not because I'm ugly enough to break your phone or my bald spot just glare. Yes, I know. I'm teasing you. You can stop. All right. Actually, I should stop teasing her, shouldn't I? Anyway, getting back to this, guys. And I complain about the kids not paying attention. All right. So, a solution of a linear system is a pair of values that satisfy both equations. Now, Remember I said we're not going to be solving this. But what we are going to be doing is checking answers. So if I go 8 and 4, let's try the easy one first. Everyone grab your slates and try 8 and 4. Does it work for Ellen's equation? Show me the work.
Yep.
Show me the work. Yes.
Like this.
Yes. Now, you have to show me the work. Now, I admit that's easy. Now show me the work for, what was his name? Felix. Sorry? Okay. So we're saying 8 is the... Shh, guys, I just got an important question here. We're going, as I said, we're not solving it, but I'm giving you an answer, and a possible answer, and you're checking. So we check this equation first because it's the easy one to do. Because everybody can go 8 plus 4 is 12, and they're all complaining about writing it out. But, so it works there, but what about over here? Because here you got to show a couple steps. You have to show work for this one. I will not accept an answer. This is, yes. 3 times 8 plus 2 times 4. Now, what is 3 times 8?
3 times 8 is 24. Whoa.
2 times 8 is? Sorry, 2 times 4 is?
8.
And is it going to be 8 and 4 for all of the...
Nope. No, we're just checking a possible answer. So it's 24 plus 8. What is 24 plus 8?
32.
Does 32 equal 31? Not in this planet. So no. 8 and 4 is not a solution.
Oh, okay.
But we have to try.
So, I'm not going to try for each.
Yes.
Can I get
No. What for the, no. That's next lesson. I'll show you how to find these answers. For the moment, we're just going, we're coming up with the equation, and then I'm giving you numbers. Do they work? So here's another set. 6 and 6. Does that work? Well, does it work for the easy one? 6 plus, all right. Now go back to the harder one and try it.
Oh, this is like guessing check.
Nope. No, it's close. But as I said, Corinne, you're not guessing the answers. I'm telling you, do these answers work? And you're checking them.
Yeah.
Now, everybody plug in 6 and 6.
Still doesn't work.
Now, shh.
Oh, it's 6, not 3.
Thomas?
Yes, sir.
Shut up.
I'm saying my work out loud.
18 and 12 is? No, it doesn't work. Now, that sucks. So, now, as I said, you're not solving them today, you're checking answers. Monday, I'll show you how to solve it. But right now, the big thing is, can you come up with the equation? All right, so here we go. Shh. Which is the answer correct? So, which pair of, try that again. Identifying the correct solution of a linear system. So which pair of values is the solution for this linear system? Here's two equations. C equals 2d plus 2. C plus 2d equals minus 6. Now, ladies, I would like you to check answer A. C is 4 and D is minus 1. Gentlemen, I want you to plug in answer B. C is minus 2 and D is minus 2.
So we're doing both of them. The C equals...
Yes, you're doing both equations. Plug the numbers in. So as I said, ladies, I want you to do C is 4 and D is 1. And B, gentlemen, you're doing B. C is minus 2 and D is minus 2 for both equations. Okay, so Brooklyn, you've got C equals 2D plus 2, and C plus 2D equals minus 6. So you have two equations right here. And I'm telling you, check these answers. Do they work? So C is 4. 4 equals 2 times D is 1. What is 2 times 1? 2 plus 2 is? So you're halfway there, but you have to check the other equation. Well, okay, does it work? Yes. Ladies are doing the first one. Okay, does it work?
Check mark X.
Okay, thank you. Down. Okay, so ladies, so Brooke, help me with the second one. The second equation. Thank you, Corinne. I wasn't as specific as I could be. Everybody's checking these two equations. The ladies are checking the first set of answers. So, Brooke, help me here. The second equation with this first set of possible answers. C is 4 and D is 1. Does it work? 4 plus 2 times 1 is minus 6. Does it work? 2 times 1 is? 4 plus 2 is? 4 plus 2 is what? Does plus 6 equal minus 6? No. So A doesn't work. So I kind of hope, guys, did Brooke and I get these right? Yeah. All right. Does B work?
Yeah. Negative 2. Wait, can I do that?
You're supposed to.
No, like. So it's, you go from C is equal to, so negative 2 times C gives you negative 2, right? And then B plus, and then negative 2 times positive 2 would give you negative 4.
What's minus 4 plus 2? Louder, Elizabeth? So the first one works. Hang on. The last one. C is minus 2. So, Thomas.
Yes, sir.
Not Luke. 2 times minus 2 is?
2 times minus 2.
Yes.
2 times minus 2 is
Minus 4.
Minus 4 plus 2 is.
That's minus 2, minus 4. And you,
Wait, which one are we doing?
the one you did down there, your bottom one, that you said that you didn't show all the steps and didn't do the work.
Minus 2.
No.
Yeah,
Two- No, you didn't show work. 2 times minus 2 is minus 4. Minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6. So B does work. Yes, it does. Okay. Now,
2 plus 2 times minus 2 is minus 6.
yes. Minus is minus. Okay, guys. Now, gentlemen, here we go again. And showing all, show all steps. Don't skip stuff and don't be putting stuff in the calculator. Gentlemen, I want you to do solution A. Ladies, I'd like you to do solution B. See which one works. One of them should. I don't know which one does. You tell me. Here are your two equations. So ladies, you're doing B. Gentlemen, you're doing A. And I want to see work. While you're doing that, I'm going to take attendance. So I said, show steps. Put this nicely while the tape's going. Shut up. You are interrupting. Excuse me now. You're interrupting other people's learning with your mindless blather. Stop it. If you have a problem with that, you can go to the office and watch the tape later.
I'm not missing freaking steps.
Yes, you are.
These steps are perfectly fine.
Yes.
I agree.
Ready?
3
Oh, there you go.
half the brain equals 8
see if you can work on one, and you'd be too lazy to check the second one. Okay. So, guys, Tristan's missing, Paul's missing, Camden and Logan are missing. Is that everybody?
And Jordan.
Because I didn't know if it's actually happening. I'm waiting for her too.
Where's Jordan?
I'll be there right by right.
Okay.
Nobody is right by right.
My event's tomorrow, but there's no bus. So I know it's so expensive, so I'm not gonna.
Okay. So, solution A. I apologize. I asked ladies and gentlemen to work. I asked ladies to work on that. All right, gentlemen. Solution A, does it work?
Yes.
One person says no.
Well, yes, it is. The first one's right.
Okay, the first one works. Does it work on the second one?
No. No, bottom one doesn't.
Doesn't work. Okay, what about solution B? Ladies, does it work? Okay, 4 of you, 5, 6, 7. Brooke? Yep. -1 and -2. Good. So, that's today's lesson. Can we come up with the equation and do the numbers work? Now, typical word question for you guys. The perimeter of a Nunavut flag is 16 feet. Its length is 2 feet longer than its width. Now, first things first, can we come up with a diagram or a picture to explain this?
Oh, so just draw a Nunavut guy or whatever it's called.
No. Nunavut flag. What does a flag look? Okay. Now, do we have to waste a lot of time on that? No.
So it's width becomes probably X.
Okay. Yeah, well, hang on. Now, we have unknowns here. We've got length and width. So, what's the length and what's the width? Do we know?
The
No.
length is 2 feet longer.
All right. So,
It's 2 feet longer than this width.
now hang on. We've got length and we've got width. Now, hang on. Linear system. So what do we know about this flag?
It's 2 feet longer than the width.
Yes, its length is width plus 2. That's one equation.
And then
Now hang on. Haley's coming up with the other equation, but I want her to stop volunteering. I want somebody else to volunteer. Hang on. No. Stop and think for a sec. What's the other bit of information I gave you? Louder. What? What equals 16 feet? The whole thing or the
perimeter.
perimeter?
But you have to remember with the perimeter, you're adding the width
2 width and 2 length. Yes. So now we have two equations. Length equals width plus 2, and 16 equals 2 width plus 2 length. Now, Monday, I'll show you how to solve this. But right now, first thing, can you come up with the equation? And secondly, Denise has determined the Nunavut flag is 5 foot long and 3 feet wide. Is she right? Plug in the numbers and solve both equations, please. Show me your work. Thomas?
Yes, sir.
Be quiet, please.
All right.
Corinne? It is possible for this class to exist without your constant talking. Stop it. Now, plug in the numbers. Length is 5 and width is 3. I want to see work.
The second one doesn't work.
I don't know.
I got 60. Right there.
So, does it work? Plug in 5 for length and 3 for width. Does it work? Okay, that's the top. That's the bigger one. What about the other one? L equals W plus 2. So, I need to see this for everybody.
Plus 2.
5 equals 3 plus 2. Does 5 equal 3 plus 2?
Yes.
Okay. The other equation,
2 times 5.
Because you're taking the length.
3 times 2
The
equals.
length is 16. The width is 18.
what are you talking about?
Yeah, it's
Seriously, Luke, what are you talking about?
Oh, I'm doing the other one we just did. That's why.
Monsieur, really, be quiet, pay attention. Corinne? Corinne?
Shh.
No, you're not. Now, so show me the work for the second number. Second equation.
Oh, I just did.
Don't erase stuff till I tell you to, woman. All right, language. Does 16 equal 16? Yes. So the flag is 3 by 5. Woohoo! All right, now. Okay, guys. A nice way, guys. This way. Now.
Someone moved my desk and I.
That sucks. Then, when you have a chance, get your old desk back. Now, here, using a table. Ladies, please. Gentlemen. Now, a nice way to set up information is to use a table. That's kind of can you guys see that green color from back there?
Kinda.
Okay, give me a second. Okay, better? All right. Now, guys, quite often with these word questions, a table is a really nice way to set up the information. So, let's go here. So, looking at this here, a school if he's going to behave like that when I'm looking, wait till I turn around and deal with him. I don't mind. Now, a school sold 175 smoothies to raise money for charity. A banana smoothie cost $3 and a peach mango smoothie cost $5. The school raised $625. Now, here, setting up a table is a good way to come up with the equations. Now, sometimes I will ask you to come up with a table, sometimes not. It's one of those shortcuts some people like. It's organizing. Now, a banana smoothie is $3. Number sold, we're going to call B, so the money raised is 3B. Now, what's the price of a peach mango?
$5.
What's the number we sold?
B. No.
I'm going to call it M because P is in. I'm not kidding. You can welcome to go to the office and watch a video on this later. You don't have to be here to learn, and if you're going to disrupt this lesson, you can go now. Now, so the money raised is 5M. So, what's the total?
Oh, we calculated it?
Yes.
8?
So, price of the smoothies. What was the total raised?
625.
Now, what was the number of sold? Number of sold.
175.
Oh my.
So, what do we have here?
So then it's 3, isn't it 3 plus 8?
Well, 3 plus. Well, what is? All right. Well, what is 3 plus 5?
8.
Okay, hang on. Sold 175 smoothies. Yes. So hang on. We have two equations here. Shh. Shh. The number of smoothies sold, the number of banana and the number of peach mango smoothies sold was 175. What's the other equation?
3B plus 5B equals.
Oh, you have to minus 8? You could.
So, two things. One, watch your language. And two, ignore her.
No, I'm actually asking a question. Couldn't you just like minus it, and then it was going to tell you how much you sold?
That's actually Tuesday's lesson.
Oh.
So you're getting ahead of me. But right now, I got to make certain you guys can come up with these equations. So, B plus M is 175. 3B plus 5M is 625. So,
Oh.
so verify the numbers. what were the two equations I just had you solve?
B plus M. 175.
Yeah. And then, oh,
625?
I think so.
Yeah, you're right. My bad. I thought it was 6. Anyway, so,
Peach mangoes and, right?
sorry?
Peach mangoes and.
Yes.
Ah.
So, guys, solve these two equations for me. 125 banana smoothies and 50 peach mangoes. Verify.
Well, that's obviously not correct.
Shh.
Mango. Yes. 36? Oh, that's 3B, not 36.
Yeah, she don't.
Well, actually.
Chunky monkey.
Do they actually eat bananas?
This one
Yes,
works?
they actually do.
Okay, so show me work. So what's 125 to plus 50?
175.
Okay. Now, show me the work for the other one. Does it work? Both equations. All right. 2 people, 3 people.
Yes,
It does work.
Yes, thank you. Thank you. All right, so come on, guys. Show me the answers. 4 of you have shown me the work. 5 of you. 6,
I got the first one. And I
7. Keep work on the second one. Keep going. Does it work?
yeah.
All right. I want everybody to show me your work.
Oh, that sucks.
Fundamentally, I'm wondering why I still keep you in this class. Because occasionally you're learning stuff, but most of the time you're
Because
just...
I am learning.
Yes. Unfortunately, I haven't quite grasped the concept of be quiet. And I haven't figured out how to get you to be quiet. Yes. So, Brooke? I know. That's why I'm waiting. And Khalil can show me. Where are your glasses, Khalil? What?
In my truck.
Where's your truck?
At home.
Okay. Okay, so do both equations work?
Yep.
All right. Last question. So, I need a linear system here. Shh. So, Terry works at a co-op that sells small and large bags of wild rice harvested in Saskatchewan. So, 3 large bags and 1 small bag weigh 10, 5, and 2. Now, numbers a little small. I apologize, but most of you wearing glasses should be able to read the board. X, 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 Y, 10, 5, 2. And X, Y, 1, 1, 1. So can you guys come up with 2 equations to describe this? Yes. So I need you to write out 2 equations to describe this. Rin? So, okay. What you have here is instead of me giving you a bunch of words to read, it's a picture you got to figure out. So this is a balance. What's one side of the balance?
3xy.
Yes. 3x plus y. And what, guys, what's the other side of the balance?
10 plus 10.
10 plus 5 plus 2.
So we can write it like that. Like if there's 3x and y, like that's how we write it.
Yes.
Okay.
Now, 10 and 5 and 2 is? 10 plus...
10 plus 5 plus 2.
Yes.
Okay.
Now, over here, this one, what's the left side?
Y.
Plus 3, yes. So that's 2 graphs. That's 2 systems. That's the linear system. Yes. Now, Here's a question for you. Large bags, 5 kilos, and small bags, 2 kilos. Does that work? Check both equations, please.
So X is the small bag?
Big bag. Y is the small bag.
X would be
Y is the
2
big
kilograms.
bag, right?
Sorry?
Y is the big bag?
No, X is the large,
X is the big bag.
X is the large, and Y is the small.
Alright, so there's 3 big bags.
Yeah. So, 3x plus y equals 17.
Then there's
Okay. Work? All right. Show me your work.
I know
Once
what
you
you're
have it done, I give you your homework and be quiet and leave you
We
alone.
get homework?
Or classwork.
Plus dirt equals 17. That's a check mark.
3 times 2.
I got the first one.
All right. When'd you get the second one?
So it's like 3.
5.
Nope.
7 plus 3.
Don't work.
Yeah, they're both.
Oh.
They all
That all going once, going twice.
sold. We're all the pointy hood.
Get out there.
Marcus,
Oh,
like,
she got it.
Hi, guys.
I live for mouse now.
Yes.
Oh, shit.
The last one is what?
Sorry.
5 equals 2 plus 3.
Okay. Okay. So Marcus slates away. Let's go.
Stop. So what do you mean linear? Which
Yeah,
one
what-
doesn't work?
Yeah, which one's not a straight line? Now, we just did chapter 6, linear equations. Which one's not a linear equation? Yeah, and they both work, by the way.